Well, guys, today we have teaching pronunciation practice, and we have the schwa sound. Check it out, this sound. Do you know this sound, Fer? Maria Fernanda, do you know this sound? No, right? Let's see. This is a new sound. Well, we don't have this sound in Spanish. We have in English. And this is like E. If you see, it's like a E, right? But we're going to pronounce A in this position of our mouth. Today, we're going to see how to pronounce this sound. Also, we are going to have a list of words and we have to read them. Also, identify the sound, and also you have things that you're going to do on your own. Let's going to move on. Check it out in here. Well, you know, this is the position of how we pronounce some vowels. And check it out, the schwa sound. This vice versa letter E, right, that we have, is the A, E, but This is our schwa sound. Excellent. How it is? It's like that, right? So this is you. Let's see. Let's going to move on. Check it out here. How we pronounce this schwa sound? Well, so we need to pronounce it this with the words. We have to first to divide them into syllables, and the syllable that is a weak sound, I mean when it's like this, our sound is the one that we have to use this schwa sound. Check it out. About. This is not the correct pronunciation. About, right? So in this is the schwa sound. About, right? Again. Always when this is, we can say that it's not stressed. And also banana, this is not the correct pronunciation. Banana, no. This is banana. So in the first and in the third, we have to use schwa sound. The, na, okay? Well, only a schwa sound is for a, not really. We can use it with all the vowels, right? Remember that this is how people speak naturally in English. This is how people speak naturally, right? Let's going to move on here. Let's gonna have here this word. You see? Ability. Ability. So this is ability. Ability, right? Let's gonna check it out the next one. Fluently. This is fluently. Fluently, right? Let's gonna check it out the number 3. Please, Garcia Fernanda, can you read the number 3?
Yes, pencil.
Okay, and the schwa sound? Pen, so.
Pencil.
Yeah, pencil. Very good. Let's gonna check it out the next word. And this is flat at the beginning, right? So let's see, Diego. Fen.
Offend.
Offend. Offend. Great. And let's see the last one, please. Maria Fernanda, what is that?
Support.
Excellent. Very good. Also, Anwar, have you ever listened some people that say teacher, right? Yeah. Well, this is British English. And these are some endings where you can use the schwa sound. If you want to sound British, let's see. Let's gonna read the first one. And this O-R or E-R, let's gonna have a sound, right? Let's see. Maria Fernanda Perez, can you read the first one?
Yes, teacher. Doctor.
Doctor. Yeah, right. Doctor, right? And let's see. Fernanda Ortiz. Let's gonna read the next one. What's that?
Painter.
Paint?
A painter.
Painter. Diego, what is this? Painter. Excellent, very good. Well, not all the words we need to use the schwa sound. There are some exceptions. For example, Latin origins that we have ed, we cannot say the schwa sound, right? This is not like rapid, no, not really rapid, just like that, right? And also, for example, some words that are for another language. For example, Sushi. We don't say sushi. No, not really. This is sushi. Okay? Well, guys, let's going to move on here. Please, can you enter to these quizzes? Please try to scan it. Right? Try to scan it, please. And you can now go into that practice, right? Scan it. Can you show it to me, Anwar? And also put it play. Yeah. Yes, if you enter, yeah, so just scan, enter, right? Excellent, very good. Let's going to start playing on it. You are going to listen the word and also identify in which syllable you need to use this schwa sound. There are only 4 words. The students joined the quizzes and answered them with other names. They did these quizzes and they told me how difficult it was for them. Students read some sentences practicing the pronunciation of schwa sound.
The pencil is under the sofa.
Also, I'm gonna give you here some extra practice for you to practice at home. Thank you, guys.